Sit. You're going to the other playground.
I want to go to the
You don't need to. Hello. Okay. Okay, hold on. Okay, go pushing. Take turns, baby. Take turns. Oh! I got that on the video. Come on, sit again. Oh! Give your brother a turn, baby.
Want me to put you at the side?
No. Oh, let me help you on the other one. Too much leaves on the ground. This playground is better, huh?
Too high and too low.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, go. I make friends, so there's a little girl playing by herself on the big playground. She went inside. Go make friends. There, oh, you see her? She's your age. Say hi, I'm Sophia. What is your name? See? She wants to make friends. Say hi. Ask her if she wants to play with you. Wala mo yung leaves. Late ne. Hindi pa yung fall.
Kita nga, Igo.
Oh, tanan mo. Okay. What did she say? Does she speak English? Huh? She sounds nervous. Maybe she's younger than you are.
Oh. Bye-bye.
Go drive.
Where do you want to go?
Let's go to the other playground. We're at the new playground. Hi. In Sunset Park. Look how nice the new playground is. Hi.
It's so high.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hold on. Huh? Hi. Be careful, Amberly. This is a brand new playground. They're so high. I cannot do anything. They build them like that. I'm scared of. Get down. This is a nice playground, right?
You want to go out the car? Don't be close. Just close. These are drinks.
Yeah, don't copy them. Go. Welcome to the coral.
Hi, Mommy.
Where are you? Hi. It's like McDonald's playground.
Ma, I'm going up.
Oh yeah, that's
I
ano,
want to get inside.
hiking, rock climbing.
Kind of says for rock climbing. Oh, rock climbing. Oh, in my school we did a challenge with this.
Go. Let Josh, be careful, boy. I think it's for big kids. Be careful, I said. You're so much. Yeah. Yeah. Look how nice it is.